Ladies and gentlemen, it's past midnight and people are already out for Big Brother audition. Seriously, Big Brother don't cause so.
Oh boy. See where the thing is. Damn. This is something else.
Yesterday night because there was traffic here yesterday night. This is Abuja Motor Choice, and
Look how long the queue is, like, how, why?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's past midnight and people are already out for Big Brother audition. Seriously, Big Brother don't cause so.
before you come for the auditions, make sure you brush your teeth. For real. You know you have to. I make sure you spray body spray because. Okay, use deodorant, brush, and be confident. Basically. Can you? Why? Allow me now. Yo, for real. You just have to be confident. Basically, believe in yourself, and that's the basic thing. Look nice, smell nice. Yeah.
Hey Lulu, how's it going?
Hi.
So, do you have any like advice for people who are about to audition?
Seriously though, advice is to just be yourself, really. Honestly, there's no use trying to be Lulu or Bam Bam or Sissy or Toby or Telly Hey. Honestly, just be yourself, because if you go and try to be performing where you want to have accent or you have to be performing like baby, error, they will just out sharp.
Right.
You understand? But be yourself, because these people are intelligent. By the time they look at you like this person trying to be like, then be over 21, have international passports. There is no formal. Good. They say that we should advise
Do you
them.
have advice?
They say we should advise them.
Auditioning.
I beg, I'm not try picking character or something. Go there, be honest,
Just.
Please, what's this accent that you
So you can.
Lulu brings out the worst in me, my darling.
Just.
Yeah.
So you can.
What does that mean?
Pay you can.
Oh my god, I'm done. My name is Bami Naomi, popularly known as Bam Bam.
So you can speak English.
Ex-reality TV star, Lady Naija double wahala, actor, entrepreneur.
Give them.
My name is Lulu Shomiwa. And yes, Bam Bam.
So yes, anybody who wants to compete should make sure that they are honest. They shouldn't try to be fake or pretend to be somebody they are not.
Yes.
Make sure you have something you want to sell before you enter the house. You can't go there and not have strategy. You understand me? Please shit. You understand me? So have a business plan. Have have a talent. Have something you want to offer the world, because those who want to buy your product are watching you. So make sure you have something to cover Nigeria before you go.
On a serious note though, yes, have a strategy, be confident, be polite, you never know who's who, okay? And more importantly, stay positive. And even if you get a no, you could try again.
So, I have a very, very good news. Big Brother Naija is back. Follow at DSTV for more information. Thank you guys. Don't ask me anything I don't know. Go and follow DSTV. Hello people. So Big Brother Naija is back. Follow at BBN for more information. Thank you guys. I don't know anything about it. Please don't ask me. God bless you.